Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to log into your Blue Motor Finance account on your Windows PC or laptop. Make sure that you have created the Blue Motor Finance account before logging it. Now, firstly, go to your preferred search engine of your device and in the search bar type Blue Motor Finance login and hit search. Then you will see multiple sites. Look for the one that says Blue Motor Finance. This will take you to the official login page of Blue Motor Finance. Now, you will see two options, either to log in or to register. In case you haven't created your account, then go to register and create one. But to log in, click the login option. Then you will again have two options to log in. One is through one-time password, where you have to enter your mail ID or mobile number and you will receive a code which helps you to log in. And the next option to log in is through using password. For now, you will log in through using password, where you have to enter your email ID or mobile number and then enter your password and press login. And there it is. That's how you log into your Blue Motor Finance account. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.